Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can install software update in your device Samsung S21 FE. So if you want to update your software in your device Samsung S21 FE, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can install software update in your device.